Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this 2000 H1 Hummer. This H1 Hummer is a 6.5 liter turbo diesel motor with the Allison overdrive transmission. This thing is in really nice condition. I reconditioned the car. Beautiful two-tone paint, the black paint, as you can see, the shiny black paint, and then we did the bed liner on this one here with the hood, the bar in the front, and the roof line. And it gives it a really cool look, a little bit different than others. This thing is in really nice condition, guys, and I think it's priced very well in today's market for a wagon, as you can see here. Moving forward, just want to show you just a quick walk around on it. It is in pristine condition, guys, in my opinion. Underneath here is just super gorgeous as well. This thing was very well maintained. You got the barn doors in the back. Looking underneath here, very nice. Look at that. Under the hood is gorgeous, beautiful. Please check out my photos. It is nice under the hood. Factory door panels, the power locks, power windows. You got your scan here, scanner set up, the ScanGauge. It's the ScanGauge 3, okay? You got your light switch, your panel, your cargo, the wipers, and the washers here. And this is for the adjustable mirrors, okay? All right. GT steering wheel with the H1 logo on it. It's got cruise. All this inside has been professionally redone, just like the top of it, in the bed liner finish. And it looks spectacular, guys. It does look beautiful. The seats have been reupholstered, okay? They did a really nice job on it. Here's your cup holders for the back. I'll show you that screen when I fire it up. You got your speakers on top, LED lights inside. Beautiful. I'll show you the odometer here. $126,612. All right, my favorite part of the day. Horn is inoperable, guys, but I will have my mechanic fix that. As you can see, the wipers do function, okay? There's your cruise control. Got your left turn signal, your right turn signal, your lights, wipers are in the off position. I thought they were in off position. heat and your air conditioning functions. All right, people. This thing has the Allison overdrive automatic. Now everything functions as I mentioned. All your gauges. So to the right here is our brown building. It's like 37,000 square feet. That's my service department and the detail shop as well. So those are some of the things that we do to our vehicles as well. We service our own cars. Okay. So everything that leaves our shop, our dealership, gets looked at before they get shipped out again. These are some of our cars outside. And we have over 200 cars that we own to the building to the right. And we're going to pass up the front door here to the right of the MGM building. And off we go. So really the only thing is the horn, and that's in the steering wheel. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, but I'll make sure it does. This thing, I mean, do I have to say the word beast? I don't think so. I think this thing just speaks for itself. I mean, surprisingly, very smooth. Surprisingly. Transmission shifts excellent. Turbo diesel 6.5 liter. Does everything you want it to do. This thing can practically pull a house. This is for a special person, guys. Not everyone is fit for these cars, these trucks, should I say. Very aggressive looking. So Arnold Schwarzenegger was the one that convinced the manufacturer to put these things to the general public, if you guys didn't know that. Wagons to me are the most desirable and most expensive. All right, this is what 50 miles an hour looks like. Nice and easy, very smooth, and funny to say, easy to drive because you see everything. Got the monsoon stereo in it with the upgraded head unit. Now, MGM Classic Cars is my company. 26 years in the car business, guys. I search for nice stuff and explain it to you guys the right way. I got great reviews. I like to keep them that way. You can't keep everybody happy, but I do try. I tell you guys a lot about these vehicles. I would love for you guys to even come over and drive this thing for yourself. I do offer that. So if you need financing, guys, I can finance this thing up to 180 months. You will need good credit. You will need 10% down of the purchase price. Rates start at 8.25%. Long-term payment, very low payments. you'll be surprised how much the payment will be. Okay? You will be surprised. Your credit score, 630 to about a 770 is required for that. And if that sounds like you, it's great. You can roll in your taxes and your delivery, like I mentioned, or any upgrades that you would want. But this thing has everything. I don't know what kind of upgrade you would possibly want for this. I'm gonna extend this test drive a little bit, guys. I love this thing. I drove it home twice. It's got power mirrors too. But anyway, let's not get off topic. So you got that information. You can get that credit application at mgmclassiccars.com in the upper right-hand corner. Be the king of the hill, guys, because that's what this is. If your credit score is 775 and higher, I can do a no money down option, guys. No money down option, unsecured. Rates start there at about $699 up to 84 months. Okay, if your score is over 775. Now, if you are over 775 credit score, call or text me, and I'll get you my lender's direct websites. Okay. Otherwise, go to mgmclassiccars.com and fill it out, and I'll get this bad boy right to your driveway, man. Your neighbors will freak out. Your wife will freak out. Hell, maybe your husband will freak out. I know the kids and dog will. That's how intimidating this SUV truly is. I love how they did the interior. They did the billet, what do you call this? The hinges, the pull hinges where you can get in and out of the truck. They did that in billet. They did LED lights inside. Very, very nice. One of the nicest ones I've seen, especially for a 2000. That's the year. That's the year of the 6.5 turbo diesel. That's what this came with. Very rugged look, ready to go, guys. If you need financing, we talked about that. If you need delivery, you can call or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Guys, gals, I do appreciate you sharing your 10 minutes with me. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. There's over 60,000 subscribers, and I do appreciate each and every one of you for subscribing. So again, my phone number is 847-848-1850. I do prefer text message. I can get back to you quicker, and if you don't have text, that's okay. You can call, leave a message. Thanks for watching mgmclassiccars.com. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.